Hey everybody, this is Steve with DIYauto.com. Welcome to another video DIY. So today we're replacing the license plate lights on our 2001 BMW 740iL. So as expected, license plate lights are down here. This is the one that you need.
Start by removing your license plate and bracket. Use a pig to pry off the tabs, then a screwdriver.
Two areas for the lights. Might as well replace them both, because if one's going, the other one's probably going to go soon. There are little holes on the side. So you just stick your screwdriver or pick in there and pry on it. Alright, came out. See the dead bulb in there. Let's pry that back, and old bulb should come out. Pops in easy. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out DIYauto.com for more DIYs and build threads.